Carrie Lynn with Sunset Hill Woodworking. Some of you have been following me for a while and have watched me do a few project videos. I have decided that I want to change the way that I'm running my YouTube channel. While I still want to do some project videos from time to time, I have decided to spend my time focusing on getting things done in the workshop. Project videos are fun to do, but they do end up making projects take a lot longer to complete, so that I try to get the best shots for every step. This does become incredibly frustrating when I forget to hit record on a step. Instead, I plan to post a video every week telling you about what's happening here at Sunset Hill Woodworking. I also will be posting a few shorts every week. Last year, I had purchased a 6-inch benchtop joiner. This was a huge mistake on my part. It neither had the power nor the capacity for what I needed. So a few weeks ago, I ordered an 8-inch joiner with a helical head. It has been a wonderful addition to my shop. Last January, I got an amazing deal on some curling maple and some cherry from my local lumber supply company. However, I was having a difficult time being able to use it, as it was highly figured and required a lot of milling in order to be used. Once I ended up getting the joiner all set up, I decided that I wanted to put it through its paces, and I had just the project in mind. I'd actually been wanting to make a barn door to finish out the walk-in closet in my bedroom. After looking for different ideas for how I wanted to build it, I've settled on double doors with a chevron pattern. I was amazed with how quickly it all came together, and I couldn't be happier with the results. It is funny how things end up working out. When I first got started in woodworking, I was all about making cutting boards, coasters, and other smaller items. I have come to realize that they are time-consuming, take a lot of steps to make a quality product, and are highly wasteful of wood. While they're fun, I still enjoy making smaller projects. I have come to realize that they're not the money makers that I thought that they would be. After I finished the barn doors, I realized that I am more interested in doing larger projects. I have been interested in doing river tables for a while now, and I decided to finally try my hand at it. I started off with making a small desk out of some pine slabs that have been drying for the past year. I just poured it a couple days ago, and it should be ready to come out of its mold soon. Also, a couple weeks ago, I got several slabs of black birch and cherry from a friend of ours that has a sawmill. They have already been dried, and over the next couple weeks, I plan to flatten these slabs and turn them into either desks or coffee tables. I look forward to sharing with all of you what's happening here at Sunset Hill Woodworking. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to reading your comments. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.